A inverse equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, okay, for any square matrix, whether it is 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. Now, let's find out what is adjoint of A by shortcut method. Now, consider this diagonal matrix, okay. In diagonal matrix here, the middle term is what? We have 1 over here, okay. You consider this. Now, you go column wise, okay. You go down, from here is 1, again you go 0, okay. Similarly, you operate 1, then operate 0, and then come back 5, okay. Same process, from 0 to 3, and 3 to again minus 1 to 0, okay. Let's do by example. I am operating column wise, okay, but I need to write into the, from row to column we have to transform. Now here 1, I will write here, from 1 to here it goes 1, okay, and then come back to 0 and going to 1. Similarly 0, going to 3 or 1, 3, and then going to minus 1 and then 0. 0, 1 to 1, and then 1 to come back from top, 0, 0 to 1. Similarly 0 to 3, 0 to 3, 3 to minus 1, and then minus 1 to 0, 1, 0, and then come 5, 5, 0, then minus 2, then 2, and then come back to what? 5. First column once again, here 1, 1, 0, 1, so that we can form 4 by 4 matrix, okay. Now next is the direct adjoint, okay. Now you find this, okay, you find this value 1 into 3 is what? 3 into 0, okay. Now again over here, this, you remove this and then find this value 0 minus 15, here I will get minus 15, and then consider this 5 minus 0 is 5 we have. Similarly, you consider this one, here is minus 1, 0, again consider this 3 to the 6, 6 minus 0, here we have 6, over here 0, minus 2, come back over here, 0 minus 1 plus 1, here is what? Minus 5, 0, again over here is 2, 0, okay. This is the adjoint, okay. Now how to find determinant of A? Determinant of A is given by this into this, okay. The first row of the given matrix and then adjoint, okay, adjoint of the column 1, okay. Here 2 into 3 is what? 6, this into 0, minus 1 into plus here we have minus 5, okay. Here minus 1 into 5 is minus 5, here 6 minus 5 is 1, okay. Therefore A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A is 1, and then whole this term, okay. This is the A inverse.